All right, here is HIMS stock. This is one of my favorite stocks right now, HIMS and Hers Health. They had that big partnership announced a couple weeks ago. You guys can see we got this signal down here on March 2nd. Okay, that came right here at $15. Okay, $15 we entered HIMS and it popped all the way up to 25. This thing has a lot of room to go. Okay, it just got over its 9 EMA. That gap up tells you that the buyers are extremely strong. They have stepped in and they're now taking control. So again, we bought here on this signal. I don't think it's too late to get in on this one. Once we get the signal, what we look for is we zoom in here to the daily chart. And if you guys aren't familiar with our strategy, you guys can check out my free trading course over in the Discord. It's completely free. You just come over here to the Discord, and then there's a trading course tab right down here that literally explains our strategy and our outlook and how we trade these signals and where we look to take profits. So one of our profit-taking strategies that you'll learn in that trading course is that we want to sell when it gets back up here in the red zone. Okay, so the last time it was in the red zone was back here in September of last year. Okay, what we look for is a red dot in the red zone here on the daily. Okay, red dot here in the red zone on the daily. That was literally the top right there at around 67. And it sold all the way off from 67 all the way down here to 15. So what we're looking at now is, now that we got our buy signal, right? Hopefully you entered on this signal. If not, okay, you guys can either get this indicator over here under the trading indicator tab, or you can check out the trade alerts right here. We called that thing out. We call all these alerts out over here. You can see how many of them are going off on crypto right now. Absolutely insane. Crypto markets are just ripping. But what we're looking for, so after you get the signal, what you should be doing is you should be holding, right? These are not day trades. These are swing trades. So we are holding it until it gets back up here into this zone. So we're targeting right now on HIMS between 58 and 70, okay? And you'll learn all about these indicators inside that free trading course over here inside the Discord. So go check that out. But I'm very bullish on HIMS. I have a position on it myself, and I'm targeting up here between 58 and 70.